Organizing information for better decisions. Hi, I'm Julia Finkel, the Wellness Systems Educator from WellTalk by Qivaro. Today is episode 13, and we're talking about how organization can make decision-making easier. One reason people feel overwhelmed is because they try to process too much information at once. A better approach is to break information into smaller, more manageable pieces. When reviewing information, whether it's a wellness topic, a product label, or a personal goal, focus on understanding one section at a time. Organization creates clarity, and clarity often makes decisions feel less overwhelming. The best systems are often simple systems. They help you focus on what matters most without becoming distracted by unnecessary complexity. Learning becomes easier when information is organized in a way that makes sense. I'm Julia Finkel from WellTalk by Qivaro. Follow WellTalk by Qivaro and keep building better systems with us.